Hey folks, it's Simon here with your Tao Weekly Market Outlook for the week beginning Monday, the 1st of December 2025. Now, last week was only a 3.5 day week, but the bulls did not take Thanksgiving off at all. If you look at the S&Ps, up 3.7%. If we look at the Qs, they were up 5%. If we look at IWM, which is small and mid-cap stocks, up 5.6%. Semiconductors up 8%. All right, so all of the indices had a great week, and semis are leading, which is what you want to see. Now, if we just focus in on the S&Ps for a minute, drop back to a daily chart, you can see we've got two consecutive closes above the 61.8% fib retracement level from the all-time high, which means the all-time high is the target, and it's also reclaimed this trend line. All right, so it looks, everything, the stage looks set for a December rally. We look at the Nasdaq. It's not quite as bullish as the S&Ps, right? The Nasdaq is kind of lagging a little bit here. It's further from its high, and we've only got one close above the 61.8% level. So Nasdaq is lagging, but I wouldn't see that as too big of a problem just now. One of the problems that we've had in the market is a lack of breadth, the lack of broad participation, and that is starting to get fixed rapidly. If we look at the percentage of stocks trading above their 50-day moving average, that has surged from 25% to 58% in the space of a week. Okay, so there are always, there are two possible ways in which breadth imbalances get resolved. Either the weight of many stocks being in a downtrend eventually drags the rest of the index down when some of the leaders start to falter, or some of the other stocks start to participate, and it looks like that is what's happening. If we look at the percentage of stocks trading above their 20-day moving average, which is your short-term trend, that has had a massive rebound as well from 24% to 68%. So breadth is looking a lot better. And we can see that too with the equally weighted ETFs. If we look at RSP, which is the equally weighted S&P 500, that is, it's basically at all-time highs. It's just a whisker away. All right, that's another indication that most of the stocks in the S&P are participating in the rally now. So in summary, it looks as though this damage that the market sustained in mid-November has now been largely fixed. All right, we still haven't quite eclipsed that little swing high there, but boy, we're very close to it. If the bulls can maintain the momentum this week, we're a real chance at taking out a new all-time high. That's what I got for you today, folks. I hope it helps, and I wish you good trading. Thank you.